It's great to have you here for this episode. AI is everywhere these days. People are generating text, creating images, writing code, analyzing data, but oddly, most folks can't really explain what they're doing when they use AI.
Yeah, it's funny you say that because I've noticed that too. It's like everyone's using AI, but without a clear language to describe it. The whole practice kind of drifts, doesn't it?
Exactly, and that's why today's episode is all about the vocabulary behind disciplined AI use. Not just a list of definitions, but what they call the AIYING glossary, the grammar that actually stabilizes how we work with AI.
Right. And it makes sense when you think about other fields. Law, medicine, engineering, they all start with vocabulary because words shape how we think and act. Like in medicine, mixing up diagnosis and treatment would be chaos.
Or in engineering, confusing design and implementation could cause a project to fall apart. So in AI, if we don't distinguish between outcome and output, we end up chasing content instead of real results.
That's a key point. And also, people often think AI is intelligent or intentional, but really, it's what they call a pattern engine. It recognizes and generates statistical patterns. It doesn't actually understand or think.
Yeah, and understanding AI as a pattern engine helps us avoid two extremes, overtrusting it or underusing it. It's about using AI precisely, not blindly.
So that brings us to AIYING itself. It's defined as a disciplined approach to accomplishing meaningful outcomes with AI through structured thinking and human judgment.
I like that shift from using AI effectively to accomplishing what matters. It's not about generating more content, but about achieving real-world results.
Speaking of which, the difference between outcome and output is crucial. Output is what AI produces, like text, code, or images. But outcome is the real-world impact, say a business decision made or a problem solved.
Right, many people just focus on outputs, but AIYING starts by asking, what must be achieved before what can AI generate? That mindset changes everything.
And then there's TAJE, the core discipline, thinking, asking, judging. Thinking means clarifying the outcome, setting constraints and standards.
Asking is about engaging AI deliberately, structuring prompts carefully, and iterating with intention.
And judging is evaluating AI's results, verifying accuracy, applying reasoning, and taking responsibility. Without TAJ, you might be productive, but you're not really practicing disciplined AI use.
Todd keeps humans at the center. Without it, prompts drift, clarity gets lost, and responsibility fades.
That ties into the judgment layer, the human responsibility applied to AI outputs. AI can suggest, but only humans decide and are accountable.
If that layer weakens, human agency weakens. AIYING deliberately strengthens this layer to keep control where it belongs.
So to wrap up, vocabulary isn't just about definitions. It shapes discipline. AIYING isn't a toolkit or prompt library. It's a structured way of working with AI.
Next time you use AI, ask yourself, am I just generating outputs or am I accomplishing outcomes? Am I simply using AI or am I practicing AIYING?
That's where disciplined AI practice really begins.
Yeah, it's a subtle but powerful shift.
Definitely. Thanks for diving into this with me.
My pleasure.